live, very intense, aggressive snowstorm. Wokng town, weather forecast UK 2025. Lights video, the fun's up on the right side of the screen right this minute. Time out in digital this evening. It's approximately 20:22 PM in the evening. Outlaw, that's approximately 22 minutes past 10 PM in the evening, and it is January the 4th, Saturday evening, guys. It's 25. You've got Christmas lights up still in Wokng town. It must be Christmas, yeah! Late Christmas, Happy New Year to you all. We're walking to this very aggressive snowstorm in Wokng town right now, towards the Bay State Canal, heading back now. What a snowstorm this is, guys. What a treat. What a treat. Wow, look at that. You don't see this in Wokng town very often. I'm one of the best running man in the universe. He's leading by the cars, walking about the live around the left side. He's scratched me my channel sign down. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo. 5 10 ITF racing, so I'll share. If you're right, this is my friend John on the last share if you send it. And 9 to 12 pen, I think it's my on the live screen.